Imagine a world consumed by darkness, where humanity had turned away from their Creator. One man stood alone in faith. This is the story of Prophet Noah and the Great Flood.
In the time before the great flood, there lived a righteous man chosen by Allah to guide his people. Prophet Nuh was called to warn humanity of their wrongdoings and invite them back to the worship of the one true Allah. For 950 years, Prophet Nuh preached with patience and compassion. He called his people day and night, in public and in private, yet most turned away in arrogance and disbelief. Then came the divine command. Allah instructed Prophet Nuh to build an ark, a massive vessel that would carry the believers and pairs of every creature through the trial to come. Though his people mocked him, Prophet Nuh obeyed with unwavering faith. The skies darkened and the earth trembled. Water burst forth from the ground and poured from the heavens. The great flood had begun, covering the land as far as the eye could see. The ark sailed through the raging waters, carrying those who believed and the creatures of Allah's creation. For months they journeyed across the endless sea, trusting in Allah's protection and mercy. When the waters receded, the ark came to rest upon the mountain. A new beginning emerged from the devastation. The rainbow appeared as a sign of hope, and Prophet Nuh and the believers gave thanks to Allah for their deliverance and the chance to rebuild the world in righteousness.